He's Sebastian, he has his own career, he also needs new friends. Going on adventures with solving problems with his computer machine. He's Sebastian, Sebastian's Clubhouse, he's Sebastian, Sebastian's Clubhouse, he's Sebastian.
It's the Sebastian's Clubhouse! Thomas's hiccups. Whoops. Hey there, pal! Welcome back to the Clubhouse, and also, I will show you something. I got 6 tickets to go to the fair. This will be really amazing. Oh, I guess my Clubhouse crew are here.
Did somebody say fair? I really love going to the fair.
Anyways, guys, I bought 6 tickets so we can go to the fair.
Yay!
And I can't wait to ride on a roller coaster.
Whoa, Thomas, what happened?
Nothing, just nothing.
Maybe you have a hiccups. So we need to get rid of your hiccups. And oh no, I got a hiccups too.
Gosh, you both have hiccups. And I have a hiccups too.
How we can rid of your and Sebastian's hiccups? Me, EAC, and Misu got hiccups too.
Now how can we get rid of our hiccups?
Wait, I know how. Hey everybody, would you like to get rid of our hiccups so we can go to the fair? You will? Hot dog! But first, let's get our Sebastian tools!
From the Sebastian door.
Come on! Sebastian hey, Sebastian hi, Sebastian ho! Sebastian raise, Sebastian set, here we go! You're a digging and a solving working door. Sebastian me, Sebastian you, Sebastian do. Sebastian me, Sebastian you, Sebastian do. Oh, Pseudos, it's time to get do it. Show us the Sebastian do, Sebastian do it. Biska, Buska, Sebastian door. Sebastian tools, Sebastian tools, Sebastian tools. Okay, so we have a water bottle, a paper bag, lemonade, and the mystery Sebastian tool. That's a surprise tool that can help us later. Tools got the tools, the Sebastian tools, so when we need them, Pseudos will bring them. He's here for Midos and Noodles, And now we have to say, oh Pseudos. Oh, we have to say, oh Pseudos. See you later, Pseudos. Okay, everybody, since we got all of our Sebastian tools, let's try to get rid of our hiccups, especially Thomas's.
Oh, I know. How about water, so we can get rid of our hiccups?
Good idea, Thomas, but still have some water, so let's go. Everybody say, oh Pseudos.
Oh, Pseudos.
Do you guys have the hiccups?
Yes, we do. Okay, so we have a water bottle, a paper bag, a lemonade, and the mystery Sebastian tool. Which Sebastian tool could we use to get rid of our hiccups?
Maybe the water bottle can work.
Well, let's try it. We got dog ears. Say cheers. Okay, let's drink water. I hope if it works. Hear any hiccups? It worked! My hiccups are gone!
Yay! My hiccups are gone too!
Thomas still has a hiccups. EAC still has a hiccups too. And the allergy dude has a hiccups too, also.
Well, the water bottle did not work for me. How about a lemonade better?
Don't worry, the allergy dude. A second Sebastian dude can help. Everybody say, "Oh, Zoodles! Oh, Zoodles!"
I'm right here.
Okay, so we still have a paper bag, a lemonade, and the mystery Sebastian tool. Since we already used the water bottle, can we use the lemonade to get rid of the allergy dude's hiccups? Yeah, I guess it might work for him, so let's try it. We got dog ears, say cheers. Okay, the allergy dude, here's your lemonade. Hear any hiccups?
Yay, my hiccups are gone.
EAZ and Thomas still both have hiccups. Oh, these are the shapes. They're sleeping once again. Let's wake them up.
Hey! Oh! Hey! Ah, yeah!
I am the shape. I am the shape.
I am a circle.
I am a triangle. I am a square.
I am a rectangle.
I am the shape.
I am a rectangle.
Guess who's making the rectangles? Can you guess? Who could it be? It's a bear! Well done, rectangle. It's time to get back on the shelf. Silly shapes, they love to sleep every day. But we still need to get rid of EAZ and Thomas's hiccups. Hold on, give me a second. Oh look, Drawer has a hiccups too. Wait a second, that makes me wonder, who else have hiccups or who doesn't, don't you? Let's find out. Drawer, open up.
No.
Open it for me, please. Well, since Drawer doesn't want to open, how about I should do a fake hiccup for him? This might work. Hey Drawer, guess what? Ah! Does a cat have a hiccups?
Yes.
I hope someone will get rid of your hiccups, kitty. Does a caliper have a hiccups?
No.
Well, probably not because they're just type of worms. Does a hamburger have a hiccups?
No.
But if you eat too much hamburger, then it will cause you hiccups. Oh, careful, don't eat too much hamburger. Well, better eat slow next time. Hehehe. Does Antonio have a hiccups?
Yes.
Hello, I'm Antonio, and today I'm going to have a...
Well, Antonio, you have a hiccup, so you need to get rid of your hiccups later. Hehehe.
Okay.
Thanks, Drawer, and I will get rid of your hiccups later. Anyways, guys, how can we get rid of EAC's hiccups?
How about a paper bag for him? It should work for it.
Good idea, Luigi dude, but Sudos has a paper bag, so let's call him. Everybody say, Oh Sudos!
Oh, Zoodles!
The only Sebastian tools that we are left is the paper bag and the mystery Sebastian tool. Which Sebastian tool could we use to get rid of EAC's hiccups? Say with Thomas's. The paper bag, right. This might help to get rid of EAC's hiccups. Say with Thomas. So let's try this. We got dog ears. Say cheers.
Man, I hope the paper bag will might work for me. I really hope.
Hear any hiccups? Wow, EAC's hiccups are finally gone.
Woohoo! And my hiccups are gone too. Now we can finally go to the fair. What? My hiccups are still there.
Aw, man, now we can't go to the fair.
Don't worry, Lucia. I will call someone. This might help to get rid of Thomas's hiccups.
Hello, what's your help?
Well, Hector, Thomas has a hiccups. We were trying to get rid of his hiccups many times and that didn't work.
He has a hiccups?
Yes, can you please, pretty please to help him to stop his hiccups?
Yeah, sure. I can help him to stop a hiccups,
Yay!
but be here in 30 minutes, so I'll be patient.
Alright.
Anyways, I'll see you there.
Okay, see ya. Anyways, I will wait because Hector will be here in 30 minutes.
A few moments later.
Oh, looks like Hector's finally here right now.
Okay, I'm right here, right now.
Alright, Hector, come in. Anyways, Hector, do you have a book of how to stop a hiccup?
Yes, I have a book. Wait a second. No, I lost my book, How to Stop the Hiccups.
Oh, don't worry, Hector. Maybe there's a last Sebastian tool to help you to get a new book of how to stop a hiccup. What do you call for a Sebastian tool?
Oh, Zoodles!
Gosh, only the mystery Sebastian tool is the left. Everybody say, Mystery Sebastian tool. Mystery Sebastian tool. What's today's Mystery Sebastian tool? It's a book of how to stop a hiccup. This may help to stop Thomas's hiccups. We picked all of our Sebastian tools. Say Super Dog Cheers. Okay, Hector, here's the book.
Thank you, Sebastian.
You're welcome.
Okay, let me read the steps. 1. Brief-related tricks. First, hold your breath and take a deep breath and hold it for about 10 to 20 minutes. And then extend it wholly slow. Go ahead.
Okay, but first I will take a deep breath. And then I will hold my breath for 20 seconds probably.
Good. Now let's go with the second. Second, breathe in a paper bag. Slowly, gently in your breath, in and out of the paper bag for a short time, like 5 minutes. Of course, don't use a plastic bag, only a paper bag. Okay?
Yo, Thomas, catch this paper bag that Zoodles gave it to you.
One step finish. Let's go with the 2-step. 2, swallow those twin guys. Oh. First, drink the cold water. Sip, gum into the grass slowly and quickly. And choose if you want to choose.
Okay, Thomas, here's the glass of water.
Okay, I will drink water slowly.
Good. Now let's go with the second one. Second, swallow a spoonful of sugar and honey to grains of trickiness to interrupt the hiccup reflex. It's your choice if you want to choose both.
Okay, 1 spoonful of sugar and 1 spoonful of honey.
Good job. Now let's go with the third one. Third, suck on a lime or lemon sour tasting nerves and stop the hiccups.
What the? Ugh, I don't like lemons.
I know you don't like lemon, Thomas, but you can hiccups your stop.
Ew.
Good job. Step 2 is finished. Now let's go with the third step. Step 3. Find nerves and simulation. First, pull your tongue. Good. Now second.
Hold on, let me read it for you. Second, gargle with cold water. I got another glass of water. Here.
Third, rub on your back. Perfect. Now the fourth message to Carolina, but only there's a one side. Nice job. Now let's go with the final step, which is a fourth step. First, knees, press down, sit down, hug your knees, and hold a couple of minutes.
A few minutes later.
Good. Now let's go with the second one. Second, to pin your nose and your mouth and try and extend and hold. Pulling. Nice job. Now the steps are done.
Hear any hiccups?
Yes, my hiccups are finally gone.
Now let's go to the fair.
Wait, can I go to the fair too?
Of course you can, Hector.
Yay, thanks.
Anyways, I have 2 more tickets, so the total can be 8 tickets.
Finally!
Anyways, let's go.
Wait for me!
Fifteen minutes later.
8 tickets, please. Thanks. Now y'all can enter to the fair.
Okay, y'all, which attraction should we go?
How about a roller coaster?
Good idea. Let's go. And everybody, thank you all of you for helping us get rid of our hiccups. Before that episode ends, let's sing a song. So let's begin.
My body's jumping. I can't stop now. What is this sound? I'm stuck somehow.
Tell me the hiccups.
hiccups. Thomas has the hiccups. So drink some water. You can do it. You can do it. Try to hold your breath and count to 10.
The hiccups gone now, my good brother.
The hiccup is gone now, my good friend.
Now we finally got rid of Thomas' hiccups. Again? Well, Pseudos, I just did have a hiccups, but my hiccups are gone. Same with Thomas's.
Well, at least I never get hiccups, 'cause I'm just a computer robot.
Well, at least we finally got rid of Thomas's hiccups, right?
Yeah, I agree with you there.
Anyways, let's end this episode.
See you guys in the next episode.
Bye-bye!